Greetings, users. Tron light cycle construction is well underway now at the Magic Kingdom. Here we are on the People Mover as we travel above the Tomorrowland Speedway. And not much has changed since last week. They're still got track that has been, that's right, I learned the zoom button is, they got track that has been torn up, much like it was last week. But the exciting stuff is about to be seen as we pass across these track sections and into the construction zone. It looks like some more trees have been torn down, and then you can kind of see it there in the distance. If you don't, we will be right back as we leave Space Mountain. Oh, yep, again, I found zoom. So here we come out of Space Mountain. As we pass this structure here, there it is. Once the light focuses, and stop. You can see there is definite foundation that has been installed into the construction site. Now what that is for, I do not know, but I do have here some concept art of the light cycle, and it looks like it's this part in the back is where they're starting the construction. It's the closest to the World Drive side of the Magic Kingdom. That seems to be where the most activity is taking place. Here I am on the Goofy's Barnstormer side of the construction. We've got walls, we've got green fencing. You can see activity taking place in the distance. Definitely you can see that foundation. Here's some photos I took of the construction wall on the Tomorrowland side. Then I peeked over the wall, not much to see, but that's the old path between Tomorrowland and the Storybook Circus area. And then we'll finish off with some close-ups of the foundation. I did take a drive on World Drive along the construction site, trying to see what I could see. But really, there's not much to see at this point. I couldn't get the camera up high enough to really make out anything over the construction site. There's some dirt, looks like some equipment, but that's really all you can see. And then you get a lovely visual of the outside of Space Mountain. There it is. Thanks for watching, and have a magical day.